friends and welcome to all of you. Myself, Dr. Vijay Prakash from Saubhag Ayurveda, Shardanagar, Kanpur, Senior Resident Doctor at Saubhag Ayurveda, specialist in avian and spine and joint related problems. Today I am going to talk my patients, Mr. Pratap. Namaskar, Pratap. Mr. Pratap is from the Bangalore and he is suffering from 4th grade avian. Uh, Now I am going to uh, give you a brief view of his X-ray. Now you can see that in his X-ray. Now you can see in his X-ray that the right side of the femur head is in the 4th grade. It is damaged. Shape of the femur head is also damaged, and left side is also damaged. There is a big number of osteophytes and very large osteophytes are also there on the both side, on the right side also, and also in the left side. So, Mr. Pratap, since how long you are suffering from the avian?
I've been suffering from last 7 to 8 years.
7 to 8 years. And how do you got this problem? Whether history of any strident?
Yes. So in 2010, I had a surgery
Okay.
for my eyes.
Okay.
For that, they had given me steroids.
Okay. Okay.
So as a result of that, 2 years later, I got avian.
Okay. After the surgery, after 2 years later, you got the avian. Okay. After that, what you do?
So all allopathic doctors told me core decompression, stem cell,
Okay.
all of those options, but I did not want to do any kind of surgery.
Okay.
So every year I've been trying different kind of Ayurveda treatments.
Okay.
I've done Panchakarma 2-3 times.
Okay.
So that has helped me a lot.
Okay.
It has maintained the
Hmm.
condition, but it has not improved.
Okay. It stabilizes your condition and it doesn't become more worse.
Yes.
So how did you know about me?
So as usually every time whenever I feel little low in confidence, I search for any new solution, anything. That's when I came across your video.
Okay.
And after I saw so many patient testimonials, I got a little more confidence.
Okay.
So I thought I'll come and try.
Okay. So you will come in contact 6 months back
Yes.
in March.
Yes.
After that, the lockdown started,
Yeah.
and you were not able to come here.
Yeah.
But you started the medicine.
Yes.
Okay, and medicine and exercise.
Yes.
So do you get any benefit from the exercises and medicines?
I would say it just made it more stable.
Okay.
Little bit more confidence I had.
Okay.
But none of my activities have changed. From the beginning, I used to play a lot.
Okay.
My condition is not that I cannot do anything.
Okay.
It is okay, and I can climb steps, I can jog a little bit, all of that. I know it is not recommended to climb steps, but my house is in first floor, so I have no choice. But yeah, I think the condition is a little better now in terms of I can move around a little more freely.
Okay. So after completing this therapy, what are the benefits you are seeing or observing in this?
After this therapy, normally if I stand and walk around for a long time,
Okay.
maybe if I walk around for 15-20 minutes, then I used to get slightly lower back pain.
Okay.
Not so much in the hip, but slight low back pain I used to get. That is a little free now.
That means now you are not facing any problem in the lower back pain.
No, there's no lower back pain.
No.
With the hip, I think it is again stable. I feel little freer, but I have to go back and see how it is actually, because now I'm not doing any activities.
Okay. So after completing the first sitting, as you have seen in the X-ray, that there are lots of osteophytes and shapes changes are there. Shape cannot be changed, but we can do that. We can break the osteophytes so that the more and more range of motion can increase and pain get reduced. So let's see after 2 or 3 months or after 4 months how much benefits Mr. Pratap get from our therapy. But now you can say that he got near about 20-30% benefit.
20%.
20% benefits. Okay, that's okay for the 4th grade patients, I think. Rest of all, any advice to any avian patients from your side?
I think main is faith and confidence. You need to believe in whatever you're doing, and also you should not fear. I think for me, biggest thing is I was not scared of anything. That's why I think 8 years nothing has happened. I was not scared. I said, okay, whatever happens. I continued to exercise. I continued to do my normal activities.
Yes.
I think that has helped a lot.
Okay. So, dear patients, don't take too much burden and feel free and be confident. I think it is not a big problem. Stay tuned with us and like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my channel so that the latest information and notification you get. Okay then, bye bye.